Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting on some door installation. You can pick them up at BlueTexinstallation.com. These are roll-up door installation kits. They have kits for single and double. We're gonna go ahead and get started and getting these installed. First of the 3 doors are done. I ordered an extra roll of the double-sided tape. So I did it, as you see, piece of tape, space 2, and then tape. That should be more than enough. They recommend 12 to 18 inches. Why not do overkill? Last thing to do is put up that last piece. I'm going to cut this lengthwise because I don't want it to overhang halfway. All done. It's that easy. Go ahead and order yours. And if you've already ordered yours, I hope this helped you put yours up or get an idea or an understanding of how you're going to put it up. Thanks for watching.